When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. All of our customers were new customers at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.